Hello and welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to read an amazing story. Are you ready for story time?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Amazing. Today's story name is The Silly Sound Bus. Finn and his mom were waiting at the bus stop. "Here comes the bus," said his mom. It was a big yellow bus with just like the one in his book. They found a seat right by the window. The bus driver closed the doors and the bus started to roll. "Beep, beep," thought Finn. But the bus didn't say beep, beep. It said move. Finn's eyes went wide. A bus that says move? He giggled and put his hands to his mouth. "Moo," he said, and his mom laughed. The bus rolled past a park. A little duck was waddling by. The bus needed to honk again. This time the bus didn't say moo. It said quack. Finn laughed even louder. He wiggled his seat and made a little duck face. "Quack," he said, and his mom gave him a big hug. The bus turned a corner and saw a cat sleeping on a sunny porch. The bus needed to honk one more time. It said, "Meow." "Meow," said Finn, making his fingers look like whiskers. He looked around the bus. A few people were smiling at him. The bus was getting close to the last stop. A park was parked in the middle of the street. The bus driver needed to honk, the loudest honk of all. The bus took a deep breath and then it said, "Ribbit," the silliest, funniest sound of all. The driver laughed so hard he had to wipe a tear from his eye. Finn laughed the hardest of all. "Ribbit," he shouted, and everyone on the bus clapped and cheered. It was the best bus ride ever. Thanks for listening with us, friends, today. Did you like today's story?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So, see you next time.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.